Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate France theme on Instagram. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and you need to search for the Instagram application. And first step you simply need to update your Instagram by clicking on this update button like this, and it will take few seconds to update. So once you update, you simply need to go back and open Instagram application and click on the messenger icon on the top right. Here you need to select any conversation, and here you need to click on the name on the top and click on theme. From here you need to select the France, and now you can see that France theme is activated. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.